The future of work isn't coming someday, it's happening right now. Artificial intelligence is already reshaping how we work, communicate, and solve problems, and the shift is accelerating fast. So, what exactly is changing? Let's break it down simply. For decades, technology replaced physical labor. Now, AI is beginning to replace and enhance digital and cognitive labor. Writing, planning, analyzing, designing, coding, and even decision making. But here's the important part: AI isn't just taking tasks away, it's creating a new kind of worker, the augmented human. Imagine you're doing your job with a team of invisible assistants: one that writes, one that designs, one that analyzes data, one that automates repetitive work, and one that thinks strategically. That's the future of work with AI. Here's a simple example. A marketer can now generate emails, ads, scripts, visuals, and landing pages in minutes using AI tools. A programmer can ask AI to find bugs, write functions, and build prototypes. A business owner can automate meetings, reports, inboxes, customer service, and research. These aren't replacements, they're accelerators. Now, here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. AI tools are becoming more capable, more multimodal, and more connected. They can understand text, images, audio, and video, and soon they'll interact with real-world systems. This means AI won't just help with tasks, it will help manage entire workflows. So what skills matter in the future of work? Number 1, understanding how AI thinks. You don't need to be a coder, but you need to know how to guide AI effectively. Number 2, creativity and problem solving. AI amplifies your ideas. It doesn't replace your originality. Number 3, adaptability. The people who learn new tools quickly become 10x performers. Number 4, judgment. AI gives options. Humans choose direction. So in simple terms, the future of work is humans plus AI, not humans versus AI. Those who know how to use AI will outperform those who don't. If you want more clear, visual insights into the future of work, subscribe to AI Unlocked. We make the future easy to understand.